Hi guys, it's me again, Olivia, your pretty and maarteng tarot reader. And for today's video, let's do a ano ang thoughts ng person on your mind right now. Let's check that. And before we proceed, I would like to say thank you sa lahat ng mga bagong followers ng ating social media accounts. I really do appreciate you all, and thank you again sa mga nag-iintay para sa slots ng ating services. Thank you so much guys sa inyong pag-iintay. And yeah, speaking of services, check nyo po ang aking main account na nakalagay sa aking bio or sa aking pin post para malaman ninyo kung paano mag-avail ng aking mga services. And I also have a live reading sa aking main account. If you wanna join, follow my main account for more details. So yeah, let's do this. What's the person on your mind right now? We got here the Hierophant. Next, Ten of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, Seven of Wands, the Fool, the Tower, and the Magician. Nasabi ko ang Seven of Swords kanina, so pwede ang nanonood ngayon or may nanonood ngayon na may ka-deal siyang third party or nasa third party situation siya. And for some of you here, pwedeng ka-deal nyo din ang boss ninyo or someone na may higher rank or position. Ang iniisip sa inyo ng taong ito kapag nababanggit kayo is you're someone na mukhang stable, someone na very mature tingnan, someone who can really lead, who can create positive changes, and despite sa mga hindi magandang nangyayari sa life niya. I'm seeing someone also here is stalking your social media, and this person gusto niyang kausapin ka, but then again, this person is very defensive. Someone here, hindi naman lahat dito ay romantic connection. Someone here, this is your matagal ng naging kaibigan. Hindi na kayo nag-usap, nagkaroon kayo ng not so good separation. So ang iba dito nagsimula dahil sa manipulation. Nagkaroon ng manipulation kaya nasira yung friendship. Ang naging dahilan ng manipulation na yun ay ang pera. Kung naka-resonate ka man, just comment anything there. And again, isa sa mga nakikita kong gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo or iniisip niya tungkol sa'yo is I can see that this person still thinking about you, but then again, still having a hard time kung dapat pa ba siyang humingi ng tawad, kung dapat ba siyang mag-approach. Pero iniisip ka nito. And tinitingnan ka nito ng person from afar, from a distance, na you're building a stable life. You're building yourself na mas maging stable person pa, not just a life, but you as an individual. This person is very defensive right now. Ayun, since there is a missing element here, which is the swords, And nasabi ko kanina na pagka malakong 7 of Swords ang 7 of Wands, yeah, this person betrayed you. Nagkaroon ng, bukod sa manipulation, aware ang person na to na niloko kanya. Again, this is not only focus sa love, na message kung may sumagi sa'yo na person habang pinapanood or pinapakinggan ng video na to, kahit hindi siya love interest mo or past lover mo, at nakaresonate ka dito, this might be for you. Kasi ang nakikita ko dito, there's also a friendship here. Pwede rin naging friends kayo and then nagkaroon ng mutual feelings, but then again, naging involved yung pera, naging involved yung family, and nagkaroon ng emotional and mental manipulation. You're aware na nagkaroon ng panloloko or niloloko ka ng person na to, aware ka doon. But then again, you still give this person a shot, a try. But instead na mas maging honest siya sa'yo, naging defensive ang person na to sa'yo, kaya nagkaroon kayo ng separation. I can see here, this person is really close sa'yo. Very open siya, naging open, for some of you, naging mentor mo siya, naging coach mo siya, or naging teacher mo siya, but then medyo naging skeptical ka sa mga sinasabi niya. 5 to 7 months might be significant sa'yo habang nakikinig ka dito. And ayun, isa sa napansin ko dito, this person talaga, hindi siya sanay na umaamin ng diretso sa mga pagkakamali niya. Kaya nasa stuck ngayon ito sa kanyang iniisip. Gusto niyang humingi ng sorry, gusto niyang makapag-communicate and ask for forgiveness, but then again, this person is still very defensive, and iniisip ka pa rin ng person na to. After ng separation ninyo, nagkaroon ng malaking awakening that your presence is naging malaking inspiration for them, but they won't admit that to you. Maybe not for now, but yeah, naging inspiration ka ng person na to despite of what happened. So yeah, this is the message for you. Kung naka-resonate ka, just comment anything. And yes, thank you, and see you next video. Bye!